building a sawmill in here, which is pretty awesome. And I'm pretty sure that the sawmill came from a guy that donated a Gravely tractor to me. With his father when he was a kid, and he's probably in the 70s now. And they're restoring it here and setting it up, and built a whole barn around it. The whole deal is going to be first class. It's pretty impressive. Alright, this is the power plant for the sawmill down there. I just ran into the guy that donated it to him, which was the guy that sold me his, or gave me his Gravely. And he told me that this Minneapolis mulling is the power plant for the sawmill. So they restored this thing up real nice. It really is absolutely beautiful. It's like they made some channels on the bottom to put forks in. First class job. But, pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. So fast forward probably 3 months from when we had the original show, when I shot this footage, and today on Facebook this post came up from the Toplands farm which shows that they finished the sawmill. It's really cool, and they invited the guy that gave it to him over there to see it on its inaugural first cut. So he was standing there smiling, is very happy. And I'm sure that that's exactly what he had dreamt of when he donated his sawmill to the Diebold. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this. I can't remember what manufacturer the sawmill is, but he told me that I think it was the only one left, and maybe it was made in Connecticut back in the day. I can't remember, but he was telling me when he was a little kid that his father would use the sawmill on the family farm and property and cut boards, and he remembers doing that when he was younger. So really neat.